Really excited with my new Igneus pizza oven. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to assemble it. Got some fantastic accessories with it. First of all, shoe. These are the special stones, so I need to light these up and do 2 pre-oven heats to avoid cracking these. So first of all, we're just breaking the Igneus Classico oven in. So you have to do this in 2 stages. The first stage is building a little fire, and this shouldn't last no more than 10 to 12 minutes. So you simply just like this. Then build it in cosily so it just time it. So yeah, just until 10 to. Ooh, it's exciting. Really excited. So let this cool down. Naturally, you can see the marks where I've spread out the ambers just to heat all 4 of the stones. So the second part of the instruction is to build a little bit of a bigger one and do this for 20 to 30 minutes. So you can see I powered it up here, and then I'm just lighting. And these are the things that you use. You've got these little wall lighters, then kindling. So that should burn quite nicely. I'm just going to time it. So 25 past. So it's just been going 5 minutes. You can see there it's just building up the temperature. There's the temperature gauge there. So we're going to try and get this up to at least 100, 150. And what we're doing is we're just gently warming up those tiles so that they don't crack. So you can see now it's just half sort of burnt down, 15 minutes, and it's got up to about 250 degrees, which is ideal. So what we need to do now is just distribute the heat across all 4 stones. So I've just started this up the first time. Super excited. Need to let that burn for 5 to 10 minutes and then add a couple of the logs and push it to the back. So excited. It's about starting to rain, but I don't care. Holy smoking! It's absolutely amazing. Got a few of the logs there lined up. So once you've got this all fired up, your nice little pyramid is there, you put it up to about, just ticking over onto 400 degrees. Push this so it's just starting to rain now, doesn't matter. You know, it's still going, it's not going to stop it. So got a few logs lined up here, got a nice thin one there. I'm just going to, for assist, just shove this to the back, shove the embers to the back, and basically put one of these to the back. Pretty much there you have it. Leave that for about, say, about 10-15 minutes.